Ganesh Utsav USA and our wonderful community. the remover of obstacles. The beloved Ganapati Bappa is here to bless us all. Photographers, videographers, be ready to capture this magnificent idol. So get ready, because in just few moments, the curtain will rise, the lights will shine, the dhol will thunder, and Lord Ganesha himself will be before us. So are you all excited? Are you all excited? So we need more energy. Let's do a countdown. How does that sound to you? Awesome, let's do it. So let's start the countdown. Say with us. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
5, 4,
4, 3, 2, and 1.
Aishana. Not alone. Off Hi, this is Chandra from Seattle Desi TV. Here we are with the Ganesh Utsav organizers and Apeksha ji and her family. Hello Apeksha ji, so nice to see you here. So how are you feeling about the event here, and do you have anything to share about the event?
Yes, sure. First of all, on behalf of Rajasthani Association of Seattle, America, I, Apeksha, would like to extend my gratitude and thanks to the wonderful organized event by Ganpati Utsav and Jaganji, Rajeshji, for bringing the 15 feet tall Ganpati all the way from India to Seattle. As you can see, each and every state was present at the curtain raiser. We all welcome the Bappa as in whole India to the Seattle city and the busiest street of Bellevue, Crossroads Park. As you can see, the entire audience here, everybody is smiling with devotion and they are happy to have Ganpati Bappa here in Seattle. Thank you.
बोलो गणेश महाराज की
Jai.
बोलो
Yeah.
गणेश महाराज की
Jai.
गणपति बप्पा
Moria.
थैंक यू
Yeah, as you have see the crowd and people are enjoying a lot here. So please come over, join, and Ganpati Bappa Moria.
Hello Andy. Hello Andy. We wanted a quick bite from you guys about how you feel, how this event is going on.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, what a feeling. Incredible environment here. So, like, I feel like I'm back home in India. Like, the vibes, the Hindu vibes, the cultural vibes here, the color, the entire festivity. So amazing. Like, I'm so blessed to be here and to be part of this. And thanks Jagan Garu and the volunteers, all the huge volunteers and the organizations supporting here, like, to make this happen. Rajesh and team, Jagan Garu, Satish, everybody, Srikant Garu, like all the backbone, Suresh Garu, everybody. So it has been like, I wish them, I congratulate them first of all for making this a big event, and I wish them to make this every year and happen this in Seattle, the Ganesh Festival, because the capital of the Ganesh Festival in the US. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
गणपति बप्पा बोलो गणेश महाराज की
really support our community, and Jared is one of the council members who's again standing for election in November. But when we had some issues with getting the permits for this, he just jumped right on and helped us solve the problem in a few minutes. Really appreciate that from him. and I would like him to say a few words.
All right, good evening, everybody. Councilmember Jared Neuenhuis, how are you this evening? Good. It is my honor and pleasure to welcome you to Crossroads Park and the City of Bellevue on behalf of the city and behalf of the entire City Council. It's an honor to host events just like this. And this is what Bellevue is about. We are about diversity, inclusion. We welcome the world, and our diversity is our strength. And part of that, thank you. And a part of that especially is the incredible Indian community here in Bellevue, but not in just Bellevue, the entire East Side. And we embrace it and we love it that you host your events right here as a wonderful community gathering, especially on such an important celebration of Ganesh. I welcome you. I hope you have a wonderful time tonight. Enjoy all the wonderful food. Enjoy all the wonderful vendors and sponsors that are good enough to be a part of this event. And thank you again for being here in Bellevue. Again, Councilmember Jared Neuenhuis, thank you so much.
Bolo Ganesh Maharaj ki
Jai!
Bolo Ganesh Maharaj ki
Jai!
Bolo Ganesh Maharaj ki
Jai!
Hi Andy, how are you?
I'm good. Thanks for coming. Thanks for having, our Ganesh festivities at Desi Seattle TV today.
Thank you for organizing all this. How do you feel? How is the vibe?
Oh my God! So this is unbelievable. It's going beyond what we have expected. We were planning for the marketing from last 2 months. We did strategize a lot of things, and we have around 15,000 to 20,000 impressions overall created across the Seattle. That's a very huge number, and we are expecting around 10,000 people today and tomorrow. And we have DJ Prashant coming up today. And Purva Mantri concert is happening tomorrow. And coming to the marketing, I'm Supriya from Colorful Creations. We are one of the main marketing partner for the Ganesh Utsav. And we did collab with around 30 to 35 plus Seattle influencers, and we have reached to each and every corner of the Seattle, to promote this event. It went so well and people have supported. Thank you so much for everyone who supported, including Seattle Desi TV as well. And there's one more day we have left for the event. Since I want to say one more thing about the event. We are calling all the creators across the Seattle to come and create their own storytelling activities about the Ganesh Utsav, so that we are running a contest and they can win exclusive cash prize also for all the creativeness and the engagement they're gonna create. Hopefully this will reach to the other influencers across the Seattle. I'll see you all tomorrow.
Yeah, we were just about to ask about the contest, and thank you for summarizing it.
Yeah.